A new open-source and free image generator called Flux has just been released. Developed by Black Forest Labs, it has better prompt understanding and details compared to Midjourney and DALL-E, delivering exceptional image quality, accuracy, and versatility. Let's see how to get it running online, since running it locally demands a high-end graphics card. So, open this Google Colab notebook from the link in the description. It might seem a bit daunting at first, but it's actually very easy. All you need to do is click on these two play icons and run them one after the other. But first, click the Connect button in the top right corner to connect to the GPU. After that, click the play icon in the first cell. When a warning pops up, just click Run Anyway to start the process. It should take around 5 minutes to finish, and once it's done, you will see a reassuring green check mark. But before you proceed to run the second cell, you will see a line starting with the words, Positive Prompt. This is where you will need to enter the prompt that will be used to generate your image. I will replace the default prompt with this one. A cat is holding a sign that says, Prompt Revolution. You can also adjust the image width and height, and enter a seed number if you like. I will stick with the default settings, then click this play icon to run the second cell. Once the processing is complete, you will see the result just below the code. In this case, the cat is not really holding the sign, so let's try generate the image again using the same prompt. And this time, the image looks right. Here are some more examples. You can also try creative prompts like a cat hatching from an egg or anything else that sparks your imagination. To download the image, first click the icon on the left to expand the panel. Then, find flux.png, click the three dots next to it, and select Download. Flux is available in 3 variations: Flux Pro, Flux Dev, and Flux Schnell. I showed you the Flux Schnell model in Google Colab because it's fast, lightweight, and doesn't need a lot of resources. Plus, it's the only model you can use commercially for free. But if you want Midjourney quality images, you have to use Flux Pro. Next, you can watch this video on another open source tool that lets you use a driving video to transform your images into talking and singing videos with expressions.